Hi, welcome to a me and you review of the QUICKJACK BL-7000 SLX. We just finished using it for a tire rotation, and we used it for a few other projects, and we realized we haven't done a review on it before. QUICKJACK has been really super easy to use. It's been safe and convenient. We've been able to eliminate the use of our jack and jack stands, and we really highly recommend it. So the only downside to the QUICKJACK setup is that it is a little pricey to get started with, and for us, the Tesla required us to purchase these extenders. The jacking points were a little bit farther from the original set. Some cars may require you to use an extender like this. Okay, so another downside with the QUICKJACK is that they are really heavy and really difficult for someone of my size to move on my own. Not impossible, but... Okay, so the QUICKJACK is something we would definitely recommend if you can afford the price point. It's quick, safe, and easy to use. All the links will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!